Welcome to Hajriah Fajar channel perspective beyond borders, beyond biases, super animals. Peace be upon you guys, I'm back, Hajriah Fajar on perspective. This time we're going to talk about something super cool, something that will make us think hard. How is that even possible? Have you ever imagined, guys, what it would be like if humans had superpowers like in the movies, flying, disappearing, or having super strength? It would be so much fun. But guys, it turns out that in this world, there are already living things that have super cool powers. They are not humans, but the animals around us. Curious, right? Let's discuss 6 animals with superpowers that humans don't have. First, there's the king of camouflage, the master of disguise. Who else but the chameleon? Can you imagine, guys, having the ability to change your skin color to match your surroundings? Well, the chameleon is the master of this. They can change color in the blink of an eye, from leaf green, twig brown to the colors of flowers. This is a super cool defense mechanism that humans don't have. Imagine if we could do that, it would be so much fun. We could prank our friends, disappear when we're being teased, or even become super spies. Unfortunately, we can only imagine, guys, haha. But big respect to the chameleon, which has been blessed with this superpower. Next, there's the ruler of the night, the sharp-eyed one. Who else but the owl? They have super sharp night vision, guys. Just imagine. They can see clearly in total darkness, something impossible for us humans without a flashlight or other lighting tools. This ability really helps owls hunt prey at night, when most other animals are sleeping. They can easily see mice or small insects, even in the pitch black of the forest. How cool is that? If we had vision like an owl, we wouldn't be afraid of the dark anymore, and we could see many amazing things at night. What if we move to the ocean? There we have the deep-sea navigator, the friendly genius, the dolphin. They have a super cool ability called echolocation. So, guys, echolocation is like a natural sonar that helps dolphins see underwater. They make a sound, and that sound will bounce back when it hits something. And the dolphin will receive the echo. From that echo, dolphins can tell the distance, size, and even the shape of objects around them. How cool is that? They can find prey and even communicate with other dolphins using echolocation. Humans can make sonar too, but it's still not as sophisticated and natural as a dolphin's. Next up, guys, let's meet the master of transformation, the clever and flexible octopus. This animal has the superpower to change its body shape. Not just changing color like a chameleon, octopuses can even slip into narrow crevices. Thanks to their super flexible bodies, they can adjust the size and shape of their bodies to fit the place they want to enter. Not only that, octopuses can also change the texture and color of their skin to better blend in with their surroundings. Truly a master of disguise. Imagine if we could do that. It would be so much fun to prank our friends with all sorts of shapes. Now, let's meet the nectar dancer, the hardworking and cooperative honeybee. Did you know, guys, that honeybees have a very unique way of communicating through dance? So when they find a source of nectar, the nectar-seeking bee will return to the hive and dance to tell the other bees where the location of the nectar-filled flowers are. The dance movements are different depending on the distance and direction of the nectar source. How cool is that? It's like having their own secret language. Honeybees teach us about solid teamwork and effective communication. Finally, there's the master of sonar, the controller of darkness, the bat. Similar to dolphins, bats also use echolocation to see in the dark. But the difference is bat echolocation is more focused on navigation and hunting in the air. They emit high-frequency sounds, and from the echoes they can pinpoint the location of prey with accuracy, even small fast-flying insects. The bat's echolocation ability is very sophisticated, guys. They can even distinguish between edible and poisonous insects just from the echoes. How cool is that? Bats prove that darkness is not an obstacle to activity, it can even be an advantage. So, guys, how about it? Aren't these animals' superpowers amazing? They prove that every living thing has its own uniqueness and advantages. Even though we humans don't have superpowers like them, we have minds that we can develop to create technology and innovations that are just as cool. So don't be discouraged, keep learning and creating. Who knows, we might be able to create our own version of superpowers. This is my personal opinion. What do you think? Write it in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Peace be upon you.